Had a little break in the video. So here's the side of the foundation and the side of the house. I'm gonna go ahead in through the back door, but I'm gonna start at the front at the living room and work my way back. Okay, so here's the front entrance. I mean, there's crown molding, that's decent. You can see there's spots for recessed lights. The door is in good condition. These windows, for the most part, they're just like a single pane of glass that's glued in. They're not even windows, but they do have a storm window behind it. So there's a storm window and then a single pane of glass. And then these ones up here, they're not too much different, although I do some open and close. I tried to open and close the one in the kitchen and it was difficult. So I don't know how many actually open and close properly. I guess in case I didn't get a chance to show the front off a little better, let me come back out. Here it is. I think I did though. Probably need new handrails also. Like walking the plank. Not sure. I guess this is a gas line? What is this pipe that's right here by the front entrance? That's a piece of PVC. I have no idea what that's for. Okay. So as you can see, there's a kitchen, and here are the floors. You can see the many layers. I'm assuming something got wet over here because these, it's like the square type of hardwood, whatever it's called. Here's like crunchy and bowing. And underneath that, I think that black stuff is like the glue that goes under that stuff. I'm not sure. It feels solid, like it's a piece of concrete. So it's kind of weird that the floors dip because I think the floor underneath is concrete. Where the floors most noticeably dip is here in the kitchen. So you can see you have exposed beam look, paneling, although on the one side over here the paneling was taken off, and you can see it's like a textured plaster wall underneath. But coming back this way, the floors definitely dip this way towards the wall. They kind of dip back this way, kind of dip back this way, and they kind of dip over there towards the stove. So here's the high point. I don't really know why there's so much unevenness on a concrete slab. And here is the utility room where I just walked in from the back. So the washer dryer presumably goes here. And you have the exposed beam look. It's kind of rusted, that vent right there for the hot water. However, you do have a newer looking Rheem gas furnace, though some of the pipes are rusted. And the floors, they are, like I said, this is kind of like, right here is like a high point for these floors. It could be because there's just many layers of flooring that I'm looking at, but it definitely looks like it comes back this way towards the door. And it kind of slopes this way towards the stove. So we got furnace, hot water, some rotting plywood over here. And then over on this side is the electric panel, the only electric panel I can really find. I think it's 100 amps, because I see 260s and 220s. And can see the wires up above. Here's your dryer vent. I don't actually know what this thing is. It's like I honestly don't see anything in here. I have no idea why somebody built this box. And then the gas line is here in the house also. The meter looks kind of newer, but it's rusty. You can see the pipes are kind of rusty. Okay, so we just saw the living room, the kitchen, the utility room. Pretty much all that's left are 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. So I guess it's an eat-in kitchen. So there's not much of a space to put a table. I guess you could put a small table right here. No, because you need the refrigerator. So it's a small eating kitchen, a living room. Then as we go back this way, you have a bathroom on the left. But you do see the vent that's built in. Water damage over there, and there's not much ventilation going on, so I believe that's mold on the far wall. Again with the exposed beam look. Old windows. Tile is in okay condition. Ugh, a lot of peeling paint here, so you probably have to gut this. It's just like many layers of paint, it looks like. The bedrooms I measured, one was 10 by 9, one was 10 by 10. I think this was the 10 by 10 bedroom. As you can see, there's smaller closets. And the exposed beam ceilings. Almost looks like there's brick underneath the plaster. Here's another closet, linen closet to the right, attic access. I did not go in the attic. This one was the 10 by 9 bedroom, recently sheetrocked, drywall. Again, you have the vent, small closet. And the last bedroom, I guess this would be the master. I measured this one to be 13 by 9. Then you have the high ceilings, not high ceilings, high windows. You do have the spots where you could put in the recessed lights. And a small closet. It's hard to tell if this is dirt or discoloration. It might be mold over here. That's pretty much it.